Hey everyone, if you want to use Browse AI for free in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use the free plan to extract data and automate simple tasks. First, Browse AI offers a free plan that lets you create basic bots, extract limited data, and monitor websites without paying. Start by logging into your Browse AI account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll automatically have access to free tools and trial features. Click on Create Bot to start building a simple data extraction workflow. Choose a website you want to extract data from. Browse AI will guide you through the process. Highlight the data you want to extract, like text, prices, or lists. The AI will learn from your selection. Run the bot to extract data automatically and see the results instantly. You can download or save your extracted data for later use. On the free plan, make sure to stay within usage limits for tasks and data extraction. For best results, focus on simple websites and small data extraction tasks when using the free plan. A common mistake is trying to extract too much data at once, which may exceed free plan limits. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use Browse AI for free in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.